Meaning of dumbbell.
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 Dumbbell. The term dumbbell refers to a type of weight training equipment that consists of a short bar with two weights on either end. The shape of the dumbbell resembles that of an old-fashioned handheld bell, which is where the name comes from. Dumbbells are used in a variety of weight training exercises and can be adjusted to different weights, making them versatile for users of all fitness levels. Using dumbbells in weightlifting can help build and tone muscle, improve overall strength and endurance, and enhance cardiovascular fitness.